Professional services teams are running blind. Projects run over budget, but no one sees it until it's too late. Utilization stays stuck. Margins erode on every engagement. Revenue recognition lags weeks behind delivery. Utilization, 62%. Project margin, 14%. DSO, 68 days. You're not running a services business. You're reacting to one. OneBill PSA ends the chaos. It's the first PSA built inside a full quote-to-cash-to-care platform. Bill the way your clients expect. Time and materials, fixed fee, milestone-based, outcome-based, or any hybrid. What you deliver flows into what you bill. Revenue recognized the moment performance obligations are met. No manual reconciliation. No deferred revenue surprises. Invoices triggered automatically. Risks surfaced weeks before they hit. OneBill PSA doesn't just track work, it's a system of execution. OneBill PSA brings AI and human judgment together. The system recommends staffing based on skills, availability, and project profitability. PMs review and confirm. Then automation handles the rest, capturing billable time, updating project status, triggering invoices on milestone completion. Your team focuses on delivery. Revenue flows without chasing it. Utilization at 87%. DSO cut in half. Revenue forecast accuracy above 95%. Your current PSA knows when the project closed. Does it know if you made money? That's not a tool problem. That's a disconnected stack problem. Delivery and revenue living in different systems. OneBill PSA is built inside a unified quote-to-cash-to-care platform. Delivery, billing, revenue recognition, profitability, one system. Always visible. Schedule a demo at www.onebillsoftware.com.